How can I install an APK on Chromecast?
Welcome to this tutorial where we will guide you through how to install an APK on Chromecast. If you have ever wondered how to expand your Chromecast's functionality by installing custom apps, this guide is perfect for you.
What is an APK?
Before diving into the procedure, it's essential to know what an APK is. APK stands for Android Package Kit. It's the file format used by the Android operating system for the distribution and installation of mobile apps. Similar to how .x is for Windows, .apk files are for Android.
Preparing your Android device.
To start, you need an Android device with the APK file that you wish to install on Chromecast. 1. Enable developer options on your Android device. To do this, go to Settings, About Phone, Software Information, Build Number. Tap on the build number 7 times to enable developer options. 2. After enabling developer options, go back to Settings, Developer Options. Here, turn on USB debugging. This will allow your device to install APKs that aren't from the Google Play Store.
Downloading the APK file.
The next step is to download the APK file you wish to install. This can be done from a variety of sources available on the internet. However, be very careful about the source you download APKs from, as not all sources are trustworthy and some may contain malware.
Casting screen to Chromecast.
Once you have prepared your Android device and downloaded the APK file, 1. Open the Google Home app on your device. 2. Select your Chromecast device from the list of available devices. 3. Tap on Cast My Screen and then Cast Screen. 4. Your Android device's screen will now be mirrored on your Chromecast.
Installing the APK on your Android device.
Now, go to the location of the APK file on your Android device and tap on it to start the installation process. Since your screen is being mirrored to the Chromecast, the APK installation process will be displayed on your Chromecast. Note that the app is not technically installed on the Chromecast but rather your Android device. That's it. You have successfully installed an APK and can now use it on your Chromecast via screen mirroring. Remember, always be careful when downloading APKs and only download from trustworthy sources. We hope you found this tutorial helpful. Enjoy your new app on your Chromecast.